Hi everyone, welcome to another video. So for today, we'll be talking about Steam cards. Before we do begin, please do hit the like and subscribe button. So first off, what is a Steam card? Well, it is the most popular gift card in Nigeria, US, and UK that is issued by Steam, one of the largest video game platform worldwide. A Steam card is both a physical card and a digital card. Physical card ranges from $20 to $30, $50 to $100, while digital cards cost around $5, $10, $25, $50, and of course $100 as well. Steam cards are used for purchasing several games on the platform, gift options, purchasing gaming hardware, sharing digital gift with friends, purchasing digital software, and converting digital Steam card to cash, and connecting million gamers globally. You can buy Steam cards online on the official website of Steam, and of course, you can also buy them through physical stores like Best Buy, Walmart, GameStop, Target, Walgreens, CVS, and 7-Eleven. Now, how do we send digital Steam card? Well, just visit Steam digital gift card page and make sure you're logged in. Afterwards, select the amount that you want to send. Then choose the recipient on your friend list. You can enter a personalized note to make sure your friend knows. Afterwards, you can now select a payment method, either credit card or PayPal is available. Then just tick the box to agree to the Steam subscriber agreement. Click purchase, and once successful, you will receive a confirmation email. Now let's talk about how to redeem a Steam gift card through Steam website. So first, log in and select account details. Tap add funds to your Steam wallet. Then click redeem a Steam wallet code. After that, just type in your Steam wallet and input your US address. Your wallet can be confirmed beneath your account name. Now let's talk about how you can redeem a Steam gift card through the Steam Client app. So open Steam Client application, sign in with name and password. Scroll to the upper right corner and click your account name. Choose account details and tap add funds to your Steam wallet. Select redeem a Steam gift card or wallet code and enter your gift card code. Then input your address, and once successful, the added amount will be displayed on the screen. Now let's talk about how to check balance on a Steam gift card through the Steam website. So first, log into Steam website, click on your profile and choose account details. Select payment methods and click Manage Steam Wallet. Your current balance will then be displayed on the screen. Next, how do we check our balance through the Steam mobile app? Well, open Steam mobile app on your device. Then select the menu icon at the top left corner of the screen. Click Account Details. Then click on Gift Card Balance. And now, how do we check our balance through the Steam Client app? Open the Steam Client application on your system, choose the Store tab on the menu, choose Account Details, and select Payment Methods. Click on the View button next to the Steam wallet, and then the next page will show your current balance. Now, how do we convert Steam gift card to cash? Well, just go to the Nosh website or download the mobile app on the Play Store or App Store. Sign up for an account, verify your account via received email, and then log in. Access the dashboard and select Sell Gift Cards. Enter your Steam gift card details and upload your card images. Then click Begin Trade. Now let's answer some of the frequently asked questions. What are Steam gift cards used for? Steam gift cards are redeemed on Steam for credit. This credit is an acceptable payment method to purchase games, gaming software, and hardware. For the next question, does Steam gift card expire? Steam gift card do not expire. It's advisable to add funds to your wallet for security purposes. Can Steam gift card be redeemed for cash? Well, Steam gift cards can be redeemed for cash. Just create an account on Nosh and exchange your card seamlessly. Why is my Steam gift card not working? Because you may have entered an incorrect code. The gift card is yet to be activated, or your gift card has already been redeemed. What is the Steam gift card rate? Steam gift card rate differs based on the subcategory of your Steam gift card, whether it is physical or a digital card. The physical Steam gift card has a higher rate than the digital Steam code. We hope this video was able to help you out. Thanks for watching.